What's up, guys? I'm going to be replacing a crawl space door in this video. The reason we decided to replace this one is because this house is going for sale and the old one was rotted and a lot of animals and cats and stuff were getting in and messing stuff up under there. You can see I already had previously started working on this. That's why the siding's broken. That's why there's already a little bit of the frame built. But I decided to dig this out because I forgot to charge my electric saw. So cutting this wood would be rather difficult and annoying. But I went ahead and measured for the left leg of this frame and just making it the exact same as the right side because it fit on the bricks nicely, and I'd rather just dig it out than have to cut anything shorter. And I just used, I think they were like 3 1/8 inch long deck screws for this. Severe weather 2x6s. And I'm just going to screw it into the top beam. I'm not really worrying about putting it into the brick because I didn't want to, but also this just doesn't need to be that sturdy. Here I'm just measuring for the door. I'm going to be using, again, severe weather, just standard plywood. And here you can see I really regret not charging my saw because I have to cut everything by hand, but you know, we work with what we got sometimes. And although this is severe weather, I am going to go ahead and paint everything. I had some leftover porch and patio paint from the front porch of this house, so it was a close enough color that I just went ahead and decided to use that. There I am doing a test fit just to make sure everything is good before we start to paint everything. This is a really simple build. I just wanted to start making videos again, and here's something that I'm working on. So I went ahead and painted the frame too. I think I missed a spot, but it's not that big of a deal because the siding covers most of it anyways. And I just put these cheap little silver hinges on it. This doesn't need to be crazy sturdy. Again, it's just a little crawl space door. It will serve its purpose. And I put on like a little barrel lock too, as well. I think that's what it's called, but I didn't really show it, so you'll see it at that last clip of the video. And I also did a wood picket under the bottom just to prevent water from getting to the rest of the build. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys.